Think. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? I think you're right. I think you're right. No. Do you know him? Do you know him? I know the answer. I know the answer. Teach. Can you teach me this? Can you teach me this? She teaches English. She teaches English. Meet. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. We met yesterday. We met yesterday. Forget. Don't forget your keys. Don't forget your keys. I forgot her name. I forgot her name. Remember. Do you remember me? Do you remember me? I remember everything. I remember everything. Laugh. They are laughing loudly. They are laughing loudly. She made me laugh. She made me laugh. Cry. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. Don't cry, everything will be fine. Don't cry, everything will be fine. Show. Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? Show me your bag. Show me your bag. Use. How do you use this app? How do you use this app? I use my phone daily. I use my phone daily. Carry. Can you carry this for me? Can you carry this for me? I carry my bag to work. I carry my bag to work. Build. They're building a house. They're building a house. Build your future with hard work. Build your future with hard work. Break. Don't break the glass. Don't break the glass. He broke his phone. He broke his phone. Fix. Can you fix this? Can you fix this? The plumber is repairing the pipe. The plumber is repairing the pipe. Open. Open the window, please. Open the window, please. He opened the door for me. He opened the door for me. Close. Close the book. Close the book. Please close the gate. Please close the gate.
Cook.
I cook dinner every evening. I cook dinner every evening. She's cooking rice now. She's cooking rice now. Clean. I clean my room on Sundays. I clean my room on Sundays. He is cleaning the table. He is cleaning the table. Wash. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before eating. She washes her clothes every Saturday. She washes her clothes every Saturday. Help. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? He helps his mother in the kitchen. He helps his mother in the kitchen. Sell. He sells tea near the station. He sells tea near the station. They sell clothes online. They sell clothes online.
Did you like this video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Practice English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.